Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to fix Wi-Fi not working on the Samsung Galaxy A57. So if Wi-Fi isn't working on your phone, I'm going to show you a few things that you can do to try and fix it. So the first thing that we're going to do is actually enable Wi-Fi. So we can do that by opening up the control panel and then hitting this Wi-Fi icon so it highlights white like that. That means that it's turned on. And then we can connect to a network. So we're going to go to settings, tap on connections, tap on Wi-Fi, and here we're going to select the network that we want to connect to and type in the password. So there we go, I typed in the password, and as you can see, I'm connected. So right now I'm connected to the Wi-Fi and it all works perfectly. But if it's not working for you and something is wrong, like it's not connecting to the network or Wi-Fi is just not appearing in general, you can try forgetting the network that you've been previously connected to, if there is even an option like that for you, and then trying to reconnect again. So we can forget the network by tapping on the settings icon next to the network that you're connected to, and then clicking view more, then scrolling down and clicking on forget. So once you click forget, it's going to basically log you out of the network, and you're going to have to turn on, type in the password again if you want to access it. So next thing you can try doing is restarting the phone and the router. So to restart the phone, you need to open up the control panel, tap the power icon, and then hit restart, and then tap restart again. And then your phone is going to restart fully and to reset some of the processes on your phone, and that might help. What you can also do is restart the router. So find the router in your house or anywhere that you want, the router that you want to connect to basically, and just restart it by plugging it out and then plugging it back in, or just hitting the power button. Now the next thing that you can try is checking for software updates. So there might be an issue on your software's version, and the new software update might fix that. So it might fix some of the issues with the Wi-Fi. So what we need to do is open up the settings, and then from the main menu, we're going to scroll down to software update, and then click on check for updates. And then it's going to check for updates and tell you if you need to download a new version. So I don't have to download a new version because my software is up to date, but if it says that you need that there's an update available, do make sure to update it by just following the process. It's pretty straightforward, and once you're done, you're going to have the latest software. And the last thing that you can try doing is trying to reset the network settings. So resetting network settings basically resets pretty much what it says. It resets all of the settings related to the network, and I'm going to show you how to do it. So to reset the network, we're going to open up the settings and then scroll down to the general management setting, and then scroll down again to reset, and then scroll down again and select reset Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings. Then tap on reset settings, and it's going to tell you that the settings have been reset. And now all you need to do is just connect back to the Wi-Fi network and check in if that helped. And that is pretty much it for this video. So thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you, and make sure to like and subscribe.